How to see your options after a cancellation on Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Southwest Airlines page. Here, scroll down and click on Manage Trip. After you've clicked on Manage Trip in here, it will lead you to this page. Here, add your flight confirmation number, your first name and last name, and press on Look Reservation. And after you do that, you will find Southwest Airlines reservation of that account that you have confirmed. And after you find your reservation, you can simply click on it, and there you can choose to rebook or convert to travel funds. And these are the two-way or options after cancellation. And this is how to see your options after a cancellation on Southwest Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.